Greetings, traveller of the waking world. It is a gentle joy to have you here. In a realm so often filled with haste and burden, you have chosen, in this moment, to turn inward, toward stillness, toward peace. You honor your spirit by arriving here. Let us begin together. Find a place of ease for your body, whether you sit as if beneath the boughs of an ancient tree, or lie as though upon soft moss by moonlight. Let your hands rest, open and unguarded. Close your eyes if it pleases you. Now, draw your awareness to the breath, the sacred wind that moves through all things. There is no need to change it. Simply listen. Feel it move through your being. Let us take 3 deep breaths in unison. Inhale through the nose. 1, 2, 3. Hold, like the pause before the dawn. And exhale gently through the mouth. 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Last time. Inhale the still air of this present moment. Hold. And release all that you need not carry. Now let your breath return to its own rhythm, like the tide upon a moonlit shore. Let awareness wash gently through your form, from the crown of your head to your brow, soft and untroubled, to your jaw, unbound, your shoulders releasing the weight of unseen armor, your arms resting like branches in the breeze, hands open, ready to receive peace, your chest rising and falling like the breath of the forest itself. Feel your belly soften, your hips rooted deep in calm, your legs heavy, feet touching the earth as if speaking to it. Now, let us slow the breath with an ancient rhythm. Box breathing, the pattern of the 4 winds. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. And we begin. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Once more. Inhale the breath of life. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Let your breath now return to its own pace, a quiet rhythm of your inner world. You are safe. You are whole. There is power in your stillness and beauty in your being. Even the oldest stars pause in their light. Even the river must rest in its bends. Now, Let the light of your awareness slowly return to the world around you. Wiggle your fingers, like leaves stirred by a breeze. Move your toes, grounding you once more. Feel the surface beneath you, stone, earth, or floor. Listen for the subtle sounds around you. And when your spirit is ready, open your eyes. You walk now with a clearer mind and a quieter heart. May this calm follow you like a faithful moonbeam through all the paths you travel today. Go gently, and may peace walk beside you.